The problem is the interior driver's door handle for my 350Z no longer opens the door from the inside. I have to roll down the window and reach outside to open the door. Obviously that's not a good place to be, so I gotta remove the door panel and see if I can't fix this. Got my replacement door handle assembly here. I've got my tools. I'm borrowing some garage space, but I'm gonna jump on this and see if we can't get this situated. So there's also a plug back here we have to remove, just like we removed this one here in the door handle. Okay, got the armrest control console out of the door pocket. And now we'll disconnect the wiring harness for the window motors and the locks. Okay, harness is off, harnesses are disconnected, and that little bolt back there has been undone. You can't really see it, but there was a screw back there. I took it out. And these two long screws here come from the door pocket here and down here. We've loosened our clips at the bottom, so I think we might be ready to do this. See where it's broke and no longer pulling on the pull that releases the exterior door latch right down in there. So we're going to replace that. So here I've got the new handle assembly for the driver's side, and at this point it should be pretty much plug and play. 4 screws out, easy peasy. So to extract this, there's a little trick where you have to open the handle and squeeze it through the hole in the panel there, but that's not really anything super difficult. It's just a little bit of geometry. Voila. Latches and levers for lock and release, or for the lock and the door release, are back in place. So we're ready to try it out and then get everything bolted back up. Okay, door is mostly back on. That little nut way back there, the Phillips head back there in the back right there, is back in place. Okay, wires for the mirror and locks and windows are back in place, and we're going to button this up. And now the big test. Let's see. I got the inside handle, and the door opens. It locks, unlocks. We're back in business. So this is the little part that caused all the trouble inside the door handle, and you can see where it would connect to the pull for the door release. I have to think, and I don't remember specifically which one it was, but one of the Z-Car forums I looked at actually showed that this is what the failure was. And apparently this is pretty common with the 350Z, so I was able to just buy a door handle assembly and repair it pretty straight and pretty easy, instead of going to a mechanic and paying for diagnostics and parts and whatever. So yeah, it's a little expensive that I had to buy a whole door handle assembly just to replace this one part, but it's fixed and I'm happy, and that's the end of the story. Thanks.